Hey guys, this is George here. I'm here with my first ever shoe unboxing, shoe review video. And I think this has been something I've been wanting to do for a while. I just wanted to talk about shoes with you guys. And if you know me, I've always been into shoes, been collecting shoes for years now. And I recently just got into New Balance, and that's all I've been buying lately. Honestly, is just New Balance 990s, and I love the shoe. It's a comfortable shoe. I don't know if it's that I'm getting older and I'm just turning into like a dad or something. And no, I don't have a kid. I have a fur child named Wooly, and he's my son. But I've really been getting into these 990s, and I got a pretty cool pair for you guys today. I got the 990 version 3, the collaboration with Stray Rats and DC Comics. And if you try to get these shoes, you know it was pretty ridiculous and pretty crazy. The website was crashing, and they dropped like 20 minutes later than the actual time it was supposed to, but that was to prevent bots, because it was just a hell of a... It was a shit show to try to get these shoes, honestly. So this is the shoe itself here. Got the... I already laced these up because I plan on wearing these. You got the New Balance tag right here. Got some green suede. The 3M New Balance logo. We got some specs, a gray sole with a black speckled dot on it. And also on the back heel, we got SR86, Stray Rats 86. And in the inside of the shoe, I will show you guys a more detailed look. There is an illustration of the Joker on the right shoe, and on the left shoe it says DC Comics and DC Comics, Stray Rats, and the Joker. Some things that come with the box, just regular tissue paper, New Balance tissue paper. We also got a extra set of laces, which is nice. New Balance never really come with spare set of laces, and we got an orange set. I like how the black looks instead of the orange, so I think I'm gonna try out with the black. Maybe later on I decide to. But yeah, guys, this has been my first video unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on feet and the details of the shoe, and more in detail. You'll be able to see that as well. I'll probably be doing some more unboxings because I have several dead stock New Balances that I have not even put on yet, and ones that I haven't even seen in videos. This pair being one of them. I haven't really seen many YouTube videos with New Balances, so maybe I just wanted to put mine out there and just share them with you guys, and hopefully people like it. If not, oh well, I'm doing this for fun too, so that's cool. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting more shoe videos hopefully in the future. Thanks.